Introducing the HiBREW 20-bar semi-automatic espresso machine, your ultimate home coffee upgrade. With 20 bars of pressure, it extracts rich, creamy espresso just like a professional barista. The adjustable temperature control lets you customize your brew, ensuring the perfect flavor every time. Equipped with a 58mm portafilter, it maximizes extraction for a bold and aromatic shot. Love variety? Enjoy both hot and cold coffee, making everything from espresso to iced lattes with ease. Plus, its sleek metal design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Fast, powerful, and easy to use, this machine is perfect for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Upgrade your coffee game today. Order now. Link in bio.